Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will explain how to fix one very annoying error that appears when we try to pull the models from Ollama website. Namely, over here I'm trying to pull or to download the model Mistral Small 24B. Namely, I went to the Ollama website, I regularly search for the model, I went to this web page, I clicked over here, then this command is being generated, I copied this command, changed pull, actually changed run to pull, and this error appeared. Error is the just mismatch file must be downloaded again. Want this number over here, got this number over here. Note that the same error will appear if instead of pull we type run over here. The solution to this problem in my case, that is on Windows 11 computer, is to simply restart the computer and try to pull the model again. I noticed that this solution works, and let me demonstrate you that. I restarted the computer, went to the Ollama website, to the model website, then I click here, then I open the command prompt, and in the command prompt again I will type this command and then I will type pull. That is, let's try now to execute this command once the computer is restarted, and let's see what will happen. And after restarting the computer, we were able to download the model, and you can see this success message over here. Let's now test the model execution. To test the model execution, first of all, let's type Ollama list to see the list of the models. Here's the model, and let's try to run the model. Ollama, then run, and the name of the model to make sure that the model can be executed. And over here, let's wait for a while. And let's ask a question, who are you? And let's see the answer, and you can see the answer. Good. Let's exit the model, and that's it. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.